Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the lesson 5, the hound in the red jersey. What is hound means? Hound means dog. Okay. Hound in a red jersey. The story is based on an extract from the book The Railway Children about three children, Bobby, Peter, and Phyllis Waterbuck. So this is about a story that extracted from the book Railway Children. This story is about three children, Bobby, Peter, and Phyllis. They come to live in a country cottage near a railway station after their father is arrested wrongly for a crime. Read this story to find out how they are drawn into an adventure and help someone. So, they came to a country cottage near railway station after their father arrested wrongly. So, now we are reading about the story. One evening, Bobby, Peter, and Phyllis were talking about an upcoming game. Peter, Phyllis, there's going to be a paper chase tomorrow. The hounds will chase the hare. So now they are talking about a game. So that is upcoming game. What's the game? Paper chase. What is paper chase? It's a local schoolboys play in the story. It is based on the concept of a hound or hunting dog chasing a hare. One boy, the hare, went first, scattering pieces out of torn paper after him. The others, the hounds, followed him using the paper clues and tried to catch him before he came back to the school. So this is about the game of the paper chase. Okay. The next day, the children went to the railway line to see the paper chase. They carried a hearty lunch which mother had packed for them. Look, Bobby, there he goes. The hare. Let me pass, please. So next day they started their game. So next day they came to the railway line, railway track to chase a hound. Okay. Soon the hounds followed. So they are chasing a hare. Okay, he went and now they are following him. Let's cut across the top and see them come out at the end. That's a good idea. We shall get there long before they do. So next, they are taking a shortcut to catch him. Where did the children go to see the paper chase? Where they went? They went to the railway line. By the time the children reached the top of the hill, they were breathless. They came down to a spot from where they could see the end of the tunnel. Breathless means not able to breathe. The hounds came soon after in twos and threes, walking slowly. There, that's all. What shall we do now? Not yet. The boy is in the red jersey, hasn't come out yet. Let's have lunch. So after they reach They were very breathless, and in that moment they see some are coming, but they want a person who wearing a red jersey. That's what they think. They thought they will finish their lunch first. They waited and waited, but the boy did not appear. Waited too long time, but he didn't came out of the railway line. Do you think the boy had an accident? He might die, crushed under a train? Oh no, let's go inside the tunnel right now. I don't want to go, but I don't want to stay here alone. So they are talking about the boy. Is he died or is he crushed under a train? So they thought too many things. So they decided to go inside the tunnel and watch whether he is there or not. Peter led them into the tunnel. It was dark inside. The walls were dull, sticky and sickly green. Sickly means pale, not bright. Okay, that is pale. I don't like it at all. I want to go back. It's a train. Quick, manhole. Shh. What's that noise? So when they came inside the tunnel, it was very dark. So they're talking about the train. The three rushed to the manhole. They stood in the dark, their backs tight against sticky bricks. With a rattle and a long dazzling flash of brightly lit carriage windows, the train rushed by. Come on, let's look for the boy in the red jersey. So when they are searching, they heard the train noise. The train came, so they all stood near the manhole. When it passed by, then they began to search a boy who wore red jersey. They found the boy nearby. With the candle which Peter had, he was lying against the wall. His arms hung limply by his sides. His eyes were shut. Can we move him, Peter? Is that blood? Is he dead? Dead? Nonsense. The red color is just his jersey. He has fainted. So, when they are searching, they found a boy lying against the wall. So, they decided to take him. Okay. The children tried to wake the boy up by splashing some milk which they had on his forehead and rubbing his hands. Oh, look up. Speak to me. Please speak. Have some milk. Don't be afraid. You are with friends. Oh, he is not dead. What happened? I'm all right. So they are trying to waking him by splashing some milk on his forehead. The boy felt much better after drinking milk. He tried to move, but then groaned in pain. Peter, you must go and get help. Go to the nearest house. I think I have broken my leg. I tripped on one of those beastly wires. I don't think I can walk. How did you all get here? We were watching the paper chase. Everyone came out except you. So we came to rescue you. So, after drinking milk, he is better now. So he told he can't walk. He is tripped. Tripped means fell down by hitting something. By hitting something. Okay. Briskly. Beastly and means terrible. So he told he can't walk. So they decided to take help from the nearest house of the railway lane. The three of them carried the boy to the nearest manhole. Then Peter and Phyllis left to get help. Bobby started to work on the boy's foot. First, she took his boots off. Then she took off her petticoat and placed it under his foot. The poor leg needs a cushion. I'm sorry, but this might help the swelling. Then she wet her handkerchief with milk and put it on the foot. Oh, it hurts. So Peter and Phyllis went out to get some help. So Bobby, she is taking care of this boy. She wet the hanky again and placed it on his forehead. Milk. We didn't have any water. That's feel good. What's this? Thank you. You are very good nurse. Meanwhile, Peter and Phyllis had found help at the nearest farmhouse. They returned with farm men who carried Jim out in a stretcher. Please bring him up to our house. My mother will look after him. So they get a help from the outsider. Outside the railway line. So he told his mother will help him. Bobby and the boy talked as they waited for help. Jim, as he was called, had no mother. His father lived far away. Jim was carried in. He was pale from the pain. At the children's home, mother, we found a hound in a tunnel and he has broken his leg. They are bringing him here. They ought to take him to a vet. I really can't have a lame dog here. He is not dog, mother. He is a boy. So she is telling, we found a hound, so we need a help. So mother told, I can't help a dog. You have to take it to the vet. But she told, no, he is not a hound. He is a boy. I am glad you brought him here. Now let's get you to bed before the doctor comes. Mother kissed him as if he had been Peter. The boy, looking at her kind eyes, felt a new rush of strength. So now she is taking care of that boy. So this is the story of the hound in the red jersey. Understood? Tomorrow we will see the exercise part of this lesson. Thank you.